Hi there. Papier Machine, based in Paris, France, has launched a new Kickstarter campaign. Papier Machine consists of a beautifully crafted book containing 6 electronic paper projects, allowing those interested to learn more about the world of electronics. The booklet contains pages silkscreened with conductive silver ink that can be assembled to create 6 electronic paper toys. The first in a collection of thematic books, Papier Machine focuses on the theme of sound. Users can close the circuits by drawing them in with a graphite pencil, and play around with the pitch and volume of the sound. Resistance: like any music instrument, this piano needs to be tuned. The pitches are determined by hand-drawn graphite zones. Graphite being conductive, these zones complete the circuit. Closing the doors finishes to close the circuit, producing for each of them a unique sound, hence offering infinite possibilities to create a unique piano. All 6 electronic toys, resistance, gyroscope, plane track, wind sensor, writing track, and tilt switch, come with their own user manuals. Much like an IKEA assembly manual, there are no written instructions, only visual steps, so users aren't limited by language. Pages are pre-cut, pre-folded, and glue isn't necessary, as everything fits neatly together. You can erase the graphite lines and redraw them, which means you can play with Papier Machine as many times as you want, as long as you take good care of it. Since its inception, Papier Machine has won a number of awards for its interactive book, including Best Printed Electronics Vision 2016, as well as the prestigious Red Dot Design Award, Best of the Best 2016, and the Audi Talents Awards, to name a few. The worldwide shipping is expected to take place during July 2018. Thanks for watching us. Bye.